Alright, so let's delve into the problem we have at hand. Picture this. You're working on a Rust project, and you come across the issue of deciding between two different versions of the pin macro. It's a common dilemma faced by Rust developers. You originally thought one was just a re-export of the other, but it turns out they have their own unique features. So, what are the key differences, and how do you choose between them? Now, let's talk about the solution. The older Tokyo pin macro is essential if you need to support Rust versions older than 1.68.0. However, the main difference lies in the comfort and convenience of the STD's pin macro. Third-party pin macros usually follow one of two forms: pin let mut variable equals value, or let variable equals to do pin variable, while STD's pin takes a different form: let mut variable equals pin value. Besides its sleek appearance, STD's version has the unique ability to be placed in any expression position, like within function calls. It's a neat feature that sets it apart from the rest. Continuing with the solution, let's focus on the let mut variable equals pin value syntax. This structure may seem simpler and more aligned with traditional Rust coding practices. However, keep in mind that it doesn't offer the same flexibility as the STD's pin when it comes to expression positions. But hey, it's all about finding what works best for your specific use case. Moving forward, let's chat about using foo pin value in function calls. While this may seem convenient, it's important to note that if the function's return value borrows from the pin place, you might run into some compilation issues. But fear not, STD leverages its unique capabilities to make this work seamlessly. It's all about understanding the nuances and making informed decisions based on your project requirements. In summary, when faced with the choice between different versions of the pin macro in Rust, consider the compatibility requirements, convenience, and unique capabilities offered by each. Whether you opt for the older Tokyo pin or prefer the comfort of STD's pin, make sure to weigh the pros and cons before making your decision. And with that, we wrap up our discussion. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your favorite Rust pun. Let's keep the coding vibes alive.